What's up, guys? Back again with another video. Today we're gonna be taking the Mario Fold 8 for a little spin. This is of course a long-range 8-inch drone from Speedy Bee. Actually, I just used the frame. This is my own DIY build, but you can get this as a Betaflight. I want to take it for a little spin in the neighborhood. This is not going to be a long range flight. Just gonna show you guys the way this little drone fly. I'm calling it little, it's not really that little. Right now, the way I have it set up, the weight of this drone with those two 1800 6S battery and the GoPro total weight is 1.5 kilo. So it is not as small as I keep saying it is small. And also I'm going to cover one of the question one of you asked me, guys, about this drone, because as good as it is, it does not seem to be any noise about this guy, and I'm gonna tell you why I think there is nobody really talking about this drone. Alright folks, so we got about 11 satellites, so we are good to go. I'm actually running Betaflight 4.4, and I have the 7-inch preset. I think it's I always forget the preset. I use it on all my drone. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Now it is a little cold, so I'm not expecting to get great flight time with those two batteries. We're having a beautiful evening in East Tennessee, and so far everything looks fine. So as you can see, guys, it's flying pretty good. For an 8-inch drone, I gotta give kudos to Betaflight because I didn't have to do anything crazy as far as tuning goes. As I say, I just use a preset. Now, talking about why nobody's pretty much talking about this drone, which is kind of funny because in my opinion, this is perhaps one of the best long range drone you can get. First of all, it is a 8-inch frame, and I think this is the only 8-inch frame right now in the market, made by a major drone company, Speedy Bee. So it is bigger than your iFlight's camera. It is bigger than the one from Gap RC, but it's not really getting any noise. You know, I posted this video about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I think this is the only video on YouTube about this drone. Now there is another video from a Chinese guy, and that one, of course, is pretty much it is in Mandarin, and it is mostly focused for, you know, the Chinese market. But except for that, I think my video is the only one on YouTube about the Fold 8, Mario Fold 8 from Speedy Bee. I think one of the reasons because of the marketing Speedy Bee doing on this drone. I would say the marketing is pretty much non-existent, but that seems to be something Speedy Bee does. Now, just a little backstory. I've seen this drone on the Speedy Bee app. That was maybe about 2 months ago, and they had a ban and flight, and I fell in love with this drone from the first time I seen it. I was like, I had to get it, and I put it on my cart, but it was just as a wish list. You could not actually buy it. And I actually emailed Speedy Bee. I was like, hey guys, I'm really interested in buying this drone. When is it going to be available to buy? And I got an answer back from Speedy Bee. Actually, it was pretty fast. Like within a day, they answered me back. They're like, we cannot sell you this drone, you know, because of government restriction. Now, if you don't know, because of the mess going on in Ukraine and Russia, between Ukraine and Russia, and the Chinese government has put a ban on drone sale, I think most of the Chinese drone company are not supposed to be selling the drone internationally. And that's pretty much what the guy from Speedy was saying. It's like we cannot sell you the drone because of government restriction. And I emailed him back. I was like, listen, I'm fine. I don't need the drone. Can you just send me the frame? Can I just buy the frame? And the answer was pretty much no. We cannot sell it to you. Now, I got this guy from AliExpress. In case you don't know, guys, AliExpress in China is very big. It's a big company. It's pretty much comparable to Amazon. Now, AliExpress still selling drones. Look at that. There is a little bit of barbed wire there. I was waiting for the car to pass. So AliExpress still selling drone, but AliExpress is so big. I'm pretty sure they have a way to get by from the government restriction. Yeah, where was that? I was stopping for the car to pass, but it's not. That's one of my neighbor. So AliExpress can get away from government restriction, but company like SpeedyBee, small company like SpeedyBee, when you compare SpeedyBee to AliExpress, SpeedyBee it's very small. SpeedyBee had decided to follow, the government ban, but they're using AliExpress as a loophole to sell the drone. So as of right now, you can go in the SpeedyBee app, and this drone is still not available to buy. And also another thing I would say is that SpeedyBee is very selective on who they send the product to. Even lately, I would say they have released the Cinewhoop, which was a Cinewhoop 25, something like that. Even with that one, they have sent frame to influencer. They didn't send any bonded fly. So if you look at the video about the 35 3.5 Cinewhoop from SpeedyBee, they only send the frame, and everybody that made a video about it has to build it using their own motor or own flight controller. So I would say the reason you don't really hear about this is because, first of all, SpeedyBee marketing is not very aggressive. And I'll say SpeedyBee also has to deal with the restriction from the government. And lately, it's just because most of the influencers didn't get this drone, and they don't make video about something they don't get. I mean, they pretty much use are getting stuff for free, which to me makes sense. I mean, some of the influencers are pretty big. When they make a video about a drone, those drones become very popular. So, which, if I was in a position, I got a small channel, but if I was in a position where I could really influence the market, I'll be doing the same way. If you want me to talk about your product, send it to me, I'll talk about it. You make a lot of money because I talk about it. But don't expect me to talk about a product that I'm going to be buying on my own, and you guys be, getting all the benefits. I think that's why some of the influencers are actually not talking about this drone. And I think some of them may just not know about it because SpeedyBee marketing has not really been aggressive, so they may not know that there is actually a 8-inch drone, long-range drone available. And I think that's why you don't hear about this drone. But as you can see, these things fly great. Those motors I have on, those are Brother Obi, Avenger. I think they are 3008, I think. You can see pretty good as far as being responsive. But I just want to give you a little video of the drone so you guys can see how good it fly. It is a pretty good flyer. Right now with those two batteries, I'm running them in parallel. So they are making up for about 3600 milliamp hour, and a flight time is about 9 minutes. But then again, it is freezing today. I think the temperature is about, like 32 degrees, so it is pretty cold, as we all know. LiPo battery don't do good on cold weather. I'm still at 3.6, so we're just gonna fly a little more and 3. Yeah. So how much flight time I got now? About 10 minutes maybe, almost 10 minutes. So that was just this quick little video, guys. I want to see how this drone fly. I would say if someone in the market for a long range, I would say definitely look into this frame if you think about building one. But if you think about buying one, they're selling them on AliExpress. They're available with the O3 air units, or you can actually buy them without a VTX, and you can just put whatever VTX you want to. And they actually not that pricey, because I remember seeing the one without the VTX going for like $350, which is ridiculous for a drone of this quality. So I hope guys you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna let you go because I am freezing my balls out. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.